Magnus lived in a treehouse high up in the trees. He wasn't afraid of anything, except for one thing. He was afraid of heights.
Who's there? It's just me?
I'm really sorry that I scared you. I was looking for a place to sleep and shelter when it was raining really hard outside. I got so scared I had to land somewhere.
Of course you have to be here. The friends of the forest are my friends. But do you seriously think you were afraid of the wind and rain?
Well, we're all afraid of something or other, and there's nothing wrong with that. He didn't think there was anything wrong with being afraid.
I'm a little afraid of heights.
Me too, but we can look after each other. Together, we're not afraid.
I was afraid the storm would last forever.
Me too, but we're safe here together. Yes, we are. Thank you.
The little bird felt safe too, knowing Magnus was there.
The storm is so loud tonight. Don't worry, I'm here with you. Thank you, little friend.
And in that treehouse, high up in the trees, two friends learned that being afraid wasn't so scary after all.